Charles, the Bath Township Public Library, and today we're going to be doing May's Craft-A-Go, Three Little Birds in a Bird's Nest. And inside of your kit, you're going to get your orange construction paper, your 6 googly eyes, your 2 half plates stapled together, your brown paper, and 3 pieces of cut-up poster board to be your little chicks. Then, the first thing you're going to want to do is color your little birds. So whatever color you want them to be, I'm going to go with, I think, blue. Yeah, blue. Then after your birds are all nice and colored, you can put on their googly eyes with some glue. Next thing you're going to want to do is cut out their beaks. And to do that, you're going to want to fold your orange construction paper in half lengthwise and then just cut out a triangle. So like, snip, snip, snip. Then you're going to want to put glue on the bottom of the triangle. You should have your little birds all ready. Yay. The next part you're going to want to work on is the nest. So, what you can do is you can color the front of the nest a little too, because we're going to decorate it also. But if you want a background color to it, I'm just going to go with the normal, do a brown. And then, when you're all done coloring, you're going to want to grab your brown paper and tear it all up. This is going to be what you decorate the bird's nest with. So you're just going to... Then after you have all your paper nice and ripped up, you're going to want to put glue all over the front of your plate. That's a lot. And then you're going to want to stick your scrap paper all over it. And after you think you got the front of your nest covered nice and all covered, you're going to want to put your little chicks in it. And for that, you're going to want to put some glue on the back of them. And then when you put the glue on the back, you want to slide them in and glue them inside the nest, like so. And you can put them at varying heights if you want, so they all look like they're sticking up at different heights. And then voila! You got a little bird's nest with your little chicks in it. So thank you for joining us for May's Craft-A-Go of making your 3 little birds on a bird's nest. And don't forget, starting in June, we'll have a new craft every week for the Oceans of Possibility Summer Reading Program. So join us for those.